Okay, so now we will be discussing about the different kinds of sets. Okay, so first one we have the universal set. Universal set. The universal set are just simply sets containing oops, remove that. Oh, sorry. Sets containing all possible elements, or just simply a large group of elements. So, depende to actually doon sa given. Kasi for example, your given is, for this specific question, your universal set is all numbers. For next one is all letters and so on. The universal set is just simply a set containing all possible elements that you can ever think of. So, pwede tayo magkaroon ng universal set na x such that x are all numbers. Oops, sorry. Or we can have a universal set of x such that x are all letters. So it's up to the question actually. And ang ating universal set is always, write that, always denoted by a U, capital letter U. Okay? The next one that we will be discussing, number 2, is the empty set. Or empty set is also known as the null set. And a null set contains nothing or no elements. So, dapat wala siyang laman. So, for example, we have set A is equals to wala. Therefore, we can say that this set A is just simply a null set. So, ito po yung symbol natin sa null set. This circle with a slash or itong blank natin na symbol. Ayan. Yung braces na walang laman sa loob. Okay? So, this one are null sets. So, ito yung symbol natin for our null set. Okay? Next one. So, ito ang empty set from the word itself, empty, walang laman. Okay? So, let's proceed to the third one. Tatawag natin na equal sets. Okay, now equal sets are just simply sets with the same number of elements and same contents. Sabihin kumbaga parehas sila ng laman. Totally parehas sila ng laman. For example, we have this one. Set A is equals to A x e, and our set B is just simply x a. So these two sets are actually equal in the sense na set A is equals to set B, in the sense na they have the same elements. Kasi you will notice this one, parehas sila dito, parehas dito, and then parehas dito. Okay. Again, they have the same number of elements and then they have the same elements itself. Now, may mga special cases like this one. Kasi I think I did discuss to you before na remember na ang elements is non-repeating. Kumbaga, pag nauulit-ulit siya, it would still be the same. For example, set A is A x e, and set B natin is A x e. So you will notice hindi sila parehas ng number, but this one is actually similar. So we take this as 1. And again, it would still be the same. Bakit? A is still equals to B. Bakit? Set A is equals to set B kasi they still have the same elements. Ang nangyari lang sa set B na doble, but again, we take it as 1 kasi pare-parehas lang yun. Okay? Or another example, say we have set A is equals to 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, A, B, C. And our set B is equals to 1, 2, 3, A, A, B, B, C, C. It's just the same. Bakit? Kasi pareho silang may 1, may 2, may 3, may A, may B, and then may C. Even though they are repeating, again, we take it as 1 pa din. Okay? So this is still A is equals to B. Bakit? Kasi parehas lang sila. May 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Okay? And lastly, paano kung di sila parehas? Say we have set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, A. And our set B is equals to 1, 2, 3. Though yes, may similarity, pero hanggat hindi sila equal for each and every element for set A and B, then we can say that set A is not equals to set. And that is our equal set. Next, we also have the equivalent set, but equivalent set are just simply same number of elements. So let's just write it down. Okay, go to number 4. Are just sets with equal elements. Equal number, sorry. Let me write it down. Equal number of elements. Sabihin parehas lang ng bilang. Take note, bilang. So on this one, we are very specific with the number of elements. Pag may nag-repeat, hindi na. So example natin dyan is say we have set A is equals to 1, 2, 3. Now our set B is equals to A, B, and C. So they are equivalent in the sense na kasi parehas sila ng number of elements. And ang symbol natin for equivalence is this one. Okay. Actually, medyo vague ang ating symbol when it comes to equivalence kasi it actually depends on what branch of mathematics we are dealing with. But in any case, we will be using this symbol muna. Okay? So let's proceed to the next kinds of sets. Let's move up a little bit. Okay. So our next kinds of set would be under set relations. Okay. So under set relations, wait, let me make this thing. So under set relations, ang ginagawa lang natin is we are now comparing sets. Sabihin, pinagkukumpara na natin yung mga sets natin. So the very first one under set relation is yung tinatawag natin na joint sets. Okay. So joint sets are just simply two sets. A and B are joint if they have a common element. That is if element A in A is also in element B or vice versa. Okay? So ibig sabihin lang yan magiging joint set sila kapag at least may isa lang sila na common element. Not necessarily all elements are the same. So for example, we have set A and is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is equals to 3, 4, 5, and 6. So set A and B are joint because of what? Because of elements 3. Because of elements 3 and 4. Naging joint sila because of elements 3 and 4. And joint sets are just simply sets na merong commonality, at least one within them. Okay? The next one is we have the disjoint sets. These are just simply additions. Okay? The next one is disjoint sets are just simply sets with no commonality between them. For example, we have set A, which is 1, 2, 3. We have set B, which is A, B, and C. So they are disjoint. A and B, set B, are disjoint. Bakit sila disjoint sets? Kasi nga walang common between them. Okay? Talagang totally wala. Ganun lang. So again, sa joint set, at least may isa ka lang. Which is of course on this case, ang pares mo lang is 3 and 4. But on disjoint sets, dapat may common. Wala kang common. Okay? So pag may common kahit isa, automatic, hindi na yung disjoint sets. Okay? So next one, which is natawag natin na subset. Okay? Now when it comes to subset, it just simply means na one set is part or under yung ating given set. So what do I mean by that? For example, we have the grade 7 girls. It is a subset of the AAIS family. Sabihin, under lang kayo ng isa. Pero dapat, the thing about the subset is dapat at least lahat is under. Kapag may isang under, hindi na subset yun. Joint set na lang yun. What do I mean by that? For example, we have set A. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we have set B, which is equals to 1, 2, and 5. Okay? So we can say that set B is a subset of set A. Why is that? So kasi we know that B, the elements of B, this one, is also in set A. So ano ba yung mga elements na yun? We have number 1, we have 2, then we have 5. Ang kaso nga lang, dapat all elements of B must be in A. Hindi pwedeng iilan lang. Okay? So, for example, yung set B natin, by any chance, nagkaroon ka ng 6. Hindi na to subset automatically. Bakit? Kasi yun nga, may element siya na wala naman sa A. So, a subset will only happen if and only if the comparing elements, so kino-compare mo yung isa doon, under siya, lahat, totally, nandun sa A. Okay? So, that would be about subset. Okay? And we actually have two kinds of subset. The improper and then the proper subset. Okay? Pag sinabi nating proper subset is meaning all elements of B is in A but not all elements of A is in B. So what do I mean by that? So ang symbol natin for our proper subset is like this. So let's go to number 4. Proper and improper subsets. So under ng proper and improper subsets, let's use again A. A is just simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our B is equals to 1, 2, and 5. And our C is equals to 1, 2, 4, 5, and 3. Okay, so we can say that B is a proper subset of A. In what sense? Because we know that all elements of B is in A. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng elements ni B nandun kay A. But, not all elements of A is in B. So, kumbaga, pag hindi sila parehas, proper subset. Pero, C is an improper subset of A. Bakit? Kasi we know that all elements of C is in A. What do I mean by that? Check natin. So, ito, may 1 ka, may 2 ka. Meron ka ring 4, meron kang 5, meron kang 3. So, ibig sabihin subset siya, parte siya nung A. Pero, you notice na kapag lahat naging parehas, improper na agad siya. Why? Because again, all elements of C is in A and A is in C. sabihin, pagka nagtugma yung parehas na yan, yes, it is a subset. They are also equal sets. But again, it is called an improper subset. Kasi meron siyang elements that is in A. And A is also in C. Parehas na para sila totally. So then again, to simplify it, kapag ang elements mo ay hindi kompleto, for example in B, okay, hindi lahat ng elements na A kinuha mo, ang tawag doon is proper subset. Other than that, it is improper. Okay? So that would be, let's cut it for now. So thank you for listening. Those are the different kinds of set, and also under the set relation. Okay? Thank you.